Good day, everyone. I recently made a purchase, which is gonna up my game, I think. Pretty excited about it. You guys been following a little bit. I've recently crashed my little drone, so I went and bought a slightly more top-notch one, I could say, I guess. Can shoot in so many different modes. A lot better quality for the video and the pictures and all that. My last one, when I think when pictures were only shooting JPEG, and it's not that easy to edit. It's not as crisp and all that, and this one shoots raw pictures, so pretty excited about that. Yeah, this little business I have going there, photography and videography, it's definitely a must to have. Starting to feel a little bit lost the last couple of weeks without it. I mean, that's sometimes one of the only reasons why I do go out and shoot is, you know, take the drone out somewhere and, you know, you can always see from up above. Makes for some pretty cool shots. Or else sometimes I'm just not sure what to film about, you know. Anyways, I'm gonna unpack it from my bag and show you guys how it all sets up. Here it is, guys. This thing is sick. Well, it's my second time flying this thing and I'm trying to make it take off from my hand. I've seen people do that online, so this could either go very good or very wrong. Fucking love this thing. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. I like to think it was successful. Still here in one piece. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot more videos like this coming this summer, I think. Really enjoy flying this thing. It's very smooth and a lot more options to do when it comes to filming and pictures. If I'm gonna be shooting some stuff this summer for a little photography company, it's definitely a must. I can't not have one. But I hope you guys are having a good rest of your week, and we'll see you next time.